Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are still celebrating Trash to Treasure Month by turning a bunch of old chairs into side tables. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's turn some chairs into side tables. Make sure you think twice about tossing out that old broken furniture. You might just be able to repurpose it into something fantastic. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.